Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 8 minus 1 over 6 times w equals 0. Solving means isolating w on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The plus 8 keeps 1 over 6 times w from standing alone. Subtract 8 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 1 over 6 times w equals negative 8. Negative 1 over 6 is multiplying w. Its reciprocal is negative 6. Multiply both sides by negative 6, so the coefficient becomes 1. Quick check. Substitute 48 for w. Both sides equal 0, so the equation balances. So, w equals 48.